Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
This video shows animals actually understands you.
You say hey. Hey. Huh. Hello. Hello. You quit scratching the furniture. Use your post.
She have been training her cat to hug her when she says the word hug.
Come here, come say hi. Hug, please. Thank you. Oh, hi. You hungry? Say hi, everyone. Let's see how fast Butters opens his eyes. Butters.
As hard as
Butters.
these calls are,
Get his treats?
pull at us.
You fat cow. Miso? Come here.
Happy boy. I'm a happy boy. I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
I really need you to come get the Crocs.
Bailey, are you sad?
You have to go to the vet and get a shot.
Hello. Oh my god, okay. No.
You want some chicken? Blink if you want some chicken.
Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Alright, shopping list. Bread, milk, pasta, eggs, mayo, cocaine. Just kidding.
Luna.
Look at this cute thing talking with its owner. Can your dog do this? Comment down below.
Luna, can you say hello? Can you say oh no?
Hey Blaze, you ready to go take your bath?
A lot of chicken? Oh, wow. Okay.
Are you babies? Are you the babies?
This dog fully understands what the owner wants to say to her.
You want? Chicken? You want some chicken? Blink if you want some chicken. Okay.
I think the cat is really pissed by this guy.
You're the stinky boy, and you're the fat girl. Keep living in fear of you. We adopted you. You hadn't got a home, you've no mother, you've no father. We took you in here, and you're cutting the face off us.
I feel like the cat exactly know what its owner is trying to say.
Hello? 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 Hello?
This has to be one of the funniest clip ever. The guy on the sofa literally got rolled back by the dog.
Riley! Look at me!
Catch! Stay, wait till I say go, okay? No, Getty, stay, babe. Yo, please. Oh, no, don't roll out. Don't roll out.
Bailey, are you sad? No.
She has a love-hate relationship with lemons.
Look up and smile, please.
That slap really felt personal.
Your mom looks like a dog.
1, 2, 3, cheese.
So you know you're my baby and I love you, but you cannot go turkey hunting with me.
Can I please take a nap? is bedtime. Let's go.
Luna, can I get an I love you?
No. No.
When you ask your dog for help,
Can you hold the light straight?
Bananas, carrots, chicken. I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
the cat that imitates the owner singing.
Give me woohoo. Woohoo. Thank you.
Софочка, скажи а-а-а.
You okay? Yeah?
Me.
Gordon, you know you're not allowed on the table.
Hello? Hello?
كيف حالك؟ الحمد لله. يا كويس.
I'm not ready to go to bed yet. Me.
I love you. Yeah, you have zoomies.
Mama.
Looks like someone's excited to say hello.
There you go, Bailey.
This dog is petting the cat's head with its hand. This show how friendly they are.
Oh my gosh, you okay? Are you?
Alright, your turn. No!
That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys want more content just like this, please click subscribe and like the video. I will see you guys in the next one.